So before this video gets started, if you want a super easy way to make money right now, there's an app called GetUpside. They pay you money to upload a picture of your gas receipt every time you go to the gas station, you fill up gas. All you have to do is go to one of the gas stations in the app, take a picture of your receipt, and you'll get up to 25 cents back per gallon that you fill up. So I'm talking like a couple bucks back every single time you fill up gas. And if you use my link and code, you'll get an additional 15 cents back per gallon. So that means on the first time you fill up, you'll get up to 40 cents back per gallon. I use it, and you can redeem the cash for Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, PayPal money, or just sent directly to your bank account, or even a check sent to your door. Yeah, even a check sent to you. But yeah, the app is called GetUpside. Please use the link. You will not regret it. Stop paying full price for gas. And yeah, you can start making money today. So use the link down below. Okay, now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So I just wanted to make this video as a quick update to this channel, the Rideshare Hub. I like to make these videos every couple months just to check in with you guys and, you know, share with you guys what's going on with us over here at the Rideshare Hub. If you're new to this channel, or if you're a new Uber and Lyft driver, welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you want to subscribe, that would be awesome for both me and you. If you subscribe, you'll get a lot of information, not only from me, but from other drivers as well, which is another thing I'm going to talk about in this video. But yeah, I just want to update you guys with, as of now, it's June 29, and I want to update with you guys with how the channel's doing and update about my life. So I'm personally like in a really weird spot right now. So I kind of took a step back from YouTube a little bit. Within the past month or two, I kind of just stopped posting a lot less, just because of COVID and stuff, and I wasn't going out and driving, so I didn't have a lot to say. Usually I post like 7-8 times a day on our channel, but you know, just want to tone it down a bit. And yeah, so first of all, update with me. I'm not driving Uber and Lyft right now because I have asthma, and it just, I don't know. Also, I'm trying to be like safe, so I'm trying to limit my contact with people. But the asthma thing, I don't want to get, you know, sick with COVID, because I know it attacks the lungs, and I know I'm high risk, so I'm trying to be cautious. My YouTube earnings, ad revenue is really down right now. I'm not making any money on TikTok. And I'm not driving, I'm not really working, so I'm trying to figure, and I did get, fortunately, the EIDL, but I can't get PUA because I have a business, and I'm a business owner and an employee of my own business, so it doesn't work to get unemployment benefits. So I do want to ask you if you could download GetUpside if you use my link and code. If you want to support me personally, that would help me out a lot, because that would help me get discounts on my gas. All you have to do is download it, go to one of the gas stations in the app, upload a picture of your receipt, boom, done. You save money, that helps me save money on gas. Secondly, an update with the channel, the Rideshare Hub. How is that going? Well, it's in a bit of a weird time right now. So usually we have like 4 or 5 people posting every week, right? We have 3 main guys on the channel who typically post multiple times a week, which is me, Jacob Letman, and Greg Wave. Jacob Letman and Greg Wave, they're currently receiving unemployment benefits, so they're not out driving Uber and Lyft right now, which kind of makes it difficult, because, you know, what do we talk about if we're not out driving? Well, we talked about how to get unemployment benefits, and we're pretty much past that point, and a lot of people, you know, have gotten the unemployment benefits. So with me, I need to figure out what we're gonna do with the channel, because I'm not out driving for Uber and Lyft right now, and I can't drive because I don't want to wear a mask. But I think I'm gonna go out and do Uber Eats. I think I decided last night that I want to go out and at least try Uber Eats, try some food delivery, try it out and see if I like it, see if I can handle it. The reason I said I might not be able to handle it is because I for whatever reason, when I wear these things, I can't breathe. Like, it's hard for me to breathe because I guess it's from my asthma, but I think I can just drive around with no mask on and then put it on, run and grab the food, and then come back. I think I can handle that, so I'm gonna try that out. I'll keep you guys updated. Maybe I'll do like a day in the life of an Uber Eats driver during COVID-19. I think that might be interesting. But other than that, guys, that's the update with our channel. It's at a weird time. Just keep, just hold on. We're gonna, I'm pretty sure in the next month or two, we're all gonna start driving for Uber and Lyft again. Just, you know, we need to, like, I don't want to be faking anything. I don't want to, like, make videos about Uber and Lyft if we're not out driving, because that's kind of the focus on this channel, is for drivers. But I mean, it could be Uber Eats, could be DoorDash, whatever. We want to do some side hustles. So right now, I guess the main thing is just the GetUpside app. Taking a picture of your gas receipt when you go to the gas station, get some money back so you're not paying for gas. I want to, if you could help me out, use that link, my link that down below for GetUpside, so that when I do go out and do Uber Eats, I'm spending less money on gas. And also, of course, you know, you will get the money back, money off as well when you use my link for GetUpside on your gas. Your gas will be cheaper. So yeah, that's about it, guys. That's all I really have to say for today's video. I just wanted to make this update and check in with you guys. And also, I am curious how you guys are doing. Comment down below how everything is going for you. And yeah, thank you for everyone who was watching and supporting, and I will talk to you all soon. Have a good day, guys. Bye.